Do you use Venmo purely for splitting dinner bills and sending money to friends, or are you missing out on some seriously helpful, hidden features? I've been a long-time user, and for the longest time, I thought Venmo was just a digital wallet for P2P payments. But after diving into the app settings and its growing list of services, I realized I was leaving a ton of value on the table. Today, I want to walk you through the best things you probably didn't know your Venmo app could do, all from my own experience using them. 1. Getting your paycheck up to 2 days early. This is one of my favorite features, direct deposit. I've personally set up my paycheck to go straight to my Venmo account. Most traditional banks make you wait until the exact payday, but Venmo offers early access. In my experience, I'm seeing my money hit my balance up to 2 days sooner. It's a huge, unexpected perk for managing cash flow, and it's free to set up. You just get your Venmo routing and account numbers from the app and give them to your employer. 2. Using a business profile for side hustles. If you have a side gig, like selling crafts, freelance work, or even running a small local service, you need a separate business profile. I used to just have people Venmo me directly, which is against the terms of service for goods and services. Switching to a business profile was a game changer. It allows customers to pay you securely, marks the payment as a business transaction for tax purposes, and offers Venmo purchase protection, which gives both me and the customer peace of mind. Yes, there's a small fee per transaction, but it's worth it for the professionalism and protection. 3. Setting payments to private by default. You might have noticed the public feed. When I first started, I didn't realize my payment notes, like rent for the month or thanks for the weird coffee, were viewable by the world. This is a simple fix that everyone needs to do right now. Go into your settings, then privacy, and change your default to private. I even went back and changed all my past transactions to private. This ensures my financial activity stays between me and the recipient, which is how it should be. 4. Using your QR code to get paid instantly. Forget shouting out your username or spelling out a complex handle. If you're physically with someone, your personal QR code is the fastest, safest way to get paid. You can find it by tapping the skin icon and selecting the Venmo Me tab. When I'm splitting a tab at a bar or selling something on the spot, I just flash this code. They scan it, and the transaction is already directed to the correct person, no chance of sending money to the wrong John Smith. 5. Leveraging the debit and credit card for cashback. The Venmo debit card and credit card aren't just for spending your Venmo balance, they offer unique rewards. For example, the credit card gives you up to 3% cash back on your top spending category each month. I've found this automatically adjusts to whatever I spend the most on, be it groceries or gas, which is much more flexible than other cards I use. The debit card also links to offers from specific brands. I'm already shopping at those places, so it's essentially free money flowing back into my account. So, there you have it, the key features I use that turn Venmo from a simple peer-to-peer app into a genuine financial utility. If you're only using it to send $15 for pizza, you're seriously missing out. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.